In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to install the Customer Fields app in your Shopify account to help you better manage your customers' information. This process is quite simple, straightforward, and can be done in just a few steps. So, let's get started. First up, you need to launch your web browser and open the Shopify App Store. This is your gateway to access a variety of useful apps designed to improve the functionality of your Shopify store. Once you have the Shopify App Store opened, your next move is to locate the app you want to install. Specifically, you're looking for an app named Customer Fields. To find this app, you'll use the search bar on the Shopify App Store. Just key in Customer Fields and then hit the return key. The search results will pop up, and you should see the Customer Fields app listing among the results. Go ahead and click on this listing. In the app's description page, look for the Install or Add App button. You'll need to click it to initialize the installation of this app. At this point, Shopify will present you with a list of permissions that the app would need in order to function properly. It's crucial to review these permissions carefully, taking note of what access you're granting the app. Once you've reviewed and you're comfortable with the permissions, proceed by clicking Install App in your Shopify admin area. Following the installation of the Customer Fields app, head over to the app's dashboard. Here, you'll see a tab labeled Forms. Click on this Forms tab to open your form. Now you've got your form open, it's time to install it into your Shopify store. Find the Installation tab inside the form editor and click it. After that, you'll be prompted to pick a theme for your form. Select your desired theme and then go on to click the Enable App button. Next, you'll find yourself in the theme editor. In this area, you'll need to paste your form ID into the specified field. The form ID is important as it uniquely identifies your form on Shopify. Once you've pasted your form ID as required, look for the Save button located in the upper right corner of the theme editor. Click it to save your work. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and set up the Customer Fields app on your Shopify store. But don't celebrate just yet. It's always a good idea to check your work promptly. So go ahead and check the results to ensure all is set up as it should be. By following these procedures, you can streamline the process of installing and setting up Customer Fields in your Shopify store. Remember, if at any point you encounter challenges, don't hesitate to seek help from the Shopify community or the Customer Fields support team. They're there to assist you and make your Shopify experience smoother and more efficient.